In this video, we are going to see conditional operator. So children, conditional operator is also known as ternary operator, and that is the combination of this question mark and colon. Okay. So basically, it is the alternative of if and else. So I hope you all are aware with the fact how uh, if else is used. So here, suppose if num mod 2 is 0, so here I am just printing this message even, and else I am printing this message which is odd. So you all know this. So in this case, you will see that the output is even. There is an issue with this. So what is the issue? Children, here the n is in small, that's why. So yes, you can see that it is even. So in place of if I am using the conditional operator, how to use? So children, here suppose I have taken this string variable r, and here I am using the conditional operator, which is if num mod 2 is 0. So this is the question mark. This is this symbol. So here whatever we are writing will get executed if this condition, this selected condition is true. So it simply means that this string even will get stored in this variable r, and if this is false, then this string odd will get stored in this variable r. And here this is an alternative of if and else. So just see that. So you will see that in both the cases the output is even. So the very first message was this one, and the second message was e small even this one. Okay. So now we will see a few more examples of ternary operator. So here, suppose we have got this variable age, and here scanner system.n, and here if we receive this value, enter age, and that is age is ss.next int. So here, okay, so now uh, I'm just putting the condition this that if age is greater than or equals to 18, the person can vote, and if it is not true, the person cannot vote. So this is what. So here you need to input the age of the person, that is 45, and that is can vote, and here if the age is 12, the person cannot vote. So children, this is ternary operator, and here now we want to see one more example. Suppose we have got two numbers, and here if we want to find out the larger between these two, so first of all we will input these two numbers. Suppose here enter first number, that is ss.next int, and here enter second number, which is that is second is ss.next int, and now we have to find out the larger one. So just change this condition. So if first is more than second, so here we can write here it should not be large, it must be second. So Uh, First is you just return first, uh, return first, and here you can return second along with the message is larger, and here along with the message is larger. Okay, now what is you just input two numbers, suppose 12 and 56. You will see that the output is 56 is larger. So it simply means this condition was false and this part got executed. So children, again I repeat, if this condition is true, then this part will get executed, which is placed after this question mark. And if this condition is false, then this part will execute, which is placed after this colon. So children, this is how we can use conditional operators. Now I would like to give one more example, and that is actually nested. That is actually nested, yes, nested conditional op operator. So here, what I want to do is just I want to find out the smallest between among three numbers. The smallest among three numbers. So here, first of all, enter first number, which is A, which is ss dot next int, and here enter second number, which is B is ss dot next int, and after this enter third number, which is C ss dot next int. And now I would like to find out that the largest among three. So that is I've taken a variable int max, and here I just want to check if A is more than B. So if A is more than B, and here this part will execute when this condition A is more than B is true, and this part will execute when this condition A is more than B is false. So here I will write if A is more than C, then return A, otherwise return C. But here I would like to write if B is more than C, then return B, otherwise return C. So children, this is what we have done, and after that what I need to do is the largest is max. So just execute this. Okay, so here we need to input three numbers. So the first number is 12, the second number is 4, the third number is 7. You will see that the largest is 12. Okay, let us input few other values. So suppose it is 4, it is 8, and it is 67. The largest is 67. Okay, and see one more. Suppose it is 67 and it is 76 and it is 34. You see that the largest is 76. So children, this is how you can use ternary operator, or we can say this as conditional operator also. So I hope you have got this concept, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.